Unlock a personalized radio station that learns your taste with Spotify's incredible AI DJ feature. Ready to dive into an AI-curated listening experience? It's super easy to get started. First, open your Spotify app on your mobile device. You might need to update to the latest version if you don't see the option yet. Look for the prominent DJ icon. Usually found at the top of your home screen, it looks like a little DJ silhouette. Just tap on that to begin. Once you tap, the magic begins. Your AI DJ will greet you and start playing music tailored to your listening habits. It intelligently combines your favorite tracks with new discoveries it thinks you'll love, all mixed together seamlessly. But this isn't just a one-way street. You have control. See that option to change or customize? Tap on it. Here, you can influence the DJ's selections. You might be able to choose specific genres you're in the mood for, like hip-hop, chill vibes, or focus. This helps the AI hone in on what you want to hear right now. As the music plays, pay attention to the feedback options. You'll likely see a thumbs up or thumbs down icon. Liking a song tells the AI to play more like it, while disliking one helps it learn what not to play. The beauty of DJ AI mode is its constant learning. The more you listen and provide feedback, the better it understands your unique preferences, helping you rediscover old favorites and stumble upon exciting new artists you might have otherwise missed. So go ahead, hit that DJ button and let Spotify guide you through an evolving soundscape. Happy listening with your personal AI music curator.